Good evening, people of Gotham City. Cuckoo. Yeah, I guess the air is a little bit too thin for me. Yeah. I woke up quite early because I was my wish to see that here again before I go on my last tour. Because I guess today is my last time in the mountains. Okay, and tomorrow just a half day, because then I going downhill and take the bus to Belluno. But this is still my highlight to see that.
The sun is sinking in the west. The cattle go down to the stream. The redwing settles in her nest. It's time for a cowboy to dream.
Purple life in the Alps. That's where I belong to be. With my three good companions. That's my walking stick, my backpack, and me.
Gonna hang my sombrero on the limb of a tree. Coming home, sweetheart darling, just my rifle, pony, and me.
Whippoorwill in the willow sings a sweet melody.
Riding to
Amarillo.
Have always Shooky with you.
Pony and me.
No more cow to be roping. No more stray will I see.
Round the bend, she'll be waiting for my rifle, pony, and me.
Yeah, that was again 500 vertical meter up. I have to say, I'm used to it, man. It's like, drinking coffee in the morning, so it's like, and for me, is it like 500 to walk 500 meter up? So easy going. Yeah. So my second tour, and again, the wonderful weather. Fuck you. Really. It's raining, man. Hallelujah, it's raining, man. Woo! More than 3 hours walking through the rain. My fucking boots are complete full with water, and it sounds like, SpongeBob would walk in next to me. So done. Don't want it anymore. Fuck! My guidebook told me, just 30 minutes. Oh yeah, now 20 minutes. Fuck you. Fuck sign. They said it 20 minutes ago. Was also a sign with 20 minutes, so are you fucking kidding me? Fuck! Hey. My socks are like a like a sponge, complete full with water. Also my fucking hiking boots. God bless, I have such a good weather all the time. Imagine it would rain. This would be horrible, you know? Especially when you're outside. Hey. There is no shit weather, it's just shit clothes. Make that sense? I don't know. Good morning. Yeah, I was too tired yesterday to make a video, so yeah. Anyway, my clothes and my boots are still wet. So awesome. Funny situation yesterday. I met 3 Italian guys in a ruin, which is 2 kilometers away from here, and I came inside also looking for protection against the rain. And one of them is, "Oh, dude, man." You are totally wet and you are freezing. I said, yeah, of course it rains. He said, do you need a sip of grappa? Kind of a liquor. I said, no, don't, no, thank you, because I have to go to my hotel and I don't want to be drunk. I said, oh, understand. What about weed? I said, no, you have to go to the top. I said, understand. What about orange juice? I said, okay, orange juice. So, and here's the conclusion. Hikers help each other with food and drinks, and even no, just kidding. Don't take drugs. Now I'm going to Belluno and skip the next part because it's quite dangerous. Gay! Yeah, see you in Belluno and bye bye. They have also here a dark room in the mountain. Last mountain, and I see a little bit different. On one hand, I'm really proud that I made it finally. And on the other hand, it's like, ooh, really sad, because I don't know how long it takes to see that again. That is my right way, not over there. I thought, okay, this is the path, but nope. Because I was a little bit wondering, because also people want to go to Belluno. I said, why going to this direction? Yeah, anyway, so, yeah, now I'm very proud, blah, 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 yada, 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 so sad. Yeah, we see you in Belluno. Yeah, over there is a Shiara. You shouldn't go this way if you don't have the equipment or the knowledge, or bad weather again, then don't do that. Except you're a superhero like Spider-Man, then you can easily go that, but otherwise, yeah. So we are going to the Bianche. I don't have it with names, so yeah. And from there, there's a schedule when the bus is driving to Belluno, and I take that. It's really ridiculous, but I'm really happy to hear the sound of driving cars. Yeah, civilization! Welcome to Belluno, finally a city with cars and people. Yeah. Anyway, and the thing is that the bus drive just every 4 hours, and because of that, I arrived at 6:30. So yeah, it's Sunday. Everything is closed, even the restaurants. Anyway, looking for my hotel and then hopefully get a piece of pizza or tiramisu.